binary tree. Okay, binary tree, most important special type of rooted tree. Okay, special type of rooted tree. Every vertex in a binary tree has at most 2 children. Okay, paling banyak ada 2 je anak. Okay. I highlight. Okay, at most 2 children. Moreover, each child is designated as either left child or right child. Left child or right child. In drawing binary tree, a left child is drawn to the left and a right child is drawn to right. The formal definition as follows. Okay, formal definition. Definition 5. A binary tree is a rooted tree which each vertex has no children. One child or two children. So binary tree. Okay, rooted tree either has no children or 1 child or 2 child. Paling banyak ada 2, at most 2 children. Okay, if a vertex has 1 child, that child is designated either left child or right child, but not both. Okay, if a vertex has 2 children, one child is designated at left child and other child is designated at right child. Full binary tree is a binary tree which each vertex has either 2 children or 0 children. Full binary tree is a binary tree which each vertex has either 2 children or 0 children. Okay. So, example. This one, let's say A, B, C. Okay, this one is binary tree with 2 children. Okay, A, B. So, binary tree with left child. A child. Okay, A, C, binary tree with right child. Okay. Another example is a single elimination tournament. Is a tournament in which a contestant is eliminated after 1 loss. Okay, the graph of single elimination tournament is a full binary tree. Okay, this one we call it as full binary tree. Normally we see this one in football tournament, right? Okay, or futsal tournament. Example 17. Draw a binary tree of the following algebra expression. Okay, I will show you the answer for F, and then the rest you will do it by your own. Okay, so for F, X multiply with, okay, all the elements in the bracket. So, X multiply with, okay, element in the bracket, first element minus with this one, right? Okay, so minus, okay, 4, 3, and then this one is multiply 2 time with plus x, y. Okay, so we can read as x multiply with all this one, right? Okay, so multiply 4 power of 3, okay, minus 2 power of x plus 2 times x plus y. Okay, and then another tips is you write x and minus in a line. Okay, power and multiply in a line. Okay, level by level. Okay, so that when you write in this form, level by level, it is easy for you to know how many level we have, and then what's element as a leaf. Okay, what is siblings, ancestor, descendants, and so on. Also, please do the example 18 as your exercise.